What's up, y'all? Welcome to the Tee Réign Channel, back with another video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing y'all how to do a sleek back ponytail with top knot bun, ninja bun, whatever you want to call it, in the back. So these are the products I'm gonna be using for my hair. I'm gonna use some Ecostyling Gel, to sleek it down. Then I'm gonna use some coconut oil, to like grease my hair up before putting the Ecostyling Gel. Then I'm gonna have a brush, two scrunchies for when I section the parts, a wide tooth comb, and I'm going to be using pack hair for the bun. So yeah, basically that's what I'm gonna be showing y'all today. So before we get into this video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And yes, definitely we're gonna get into it though. Alright, y'all, so we get into the video. Right now I'm looking for the comb, the small comb. I found it. But anyway, so basically right now I'm just parting their hair, as you can see. I'm just parting their hair into sections. Well, my first section, because that's what you have to do in order to get that sleek look. Sleek, flat, no lumps look. So yeah, basically that's what I'm doing right now. And I'm gonna just let that play while we'll show y'all. Alright, y'all, I have my first section, so now I'm just putting the rest up in a ponytail. Now I'm combing that first section now, before I do anything, comb it out. Now I'm putting the coconut oil all over my hair in that first section. My video had cut off, the phone storage, iPhone, you know how that go. But yep, definitely. So after I put the coconut oil, now I put in the Ecostyling Gel. Put the Ecostyling Gel all over. Well, the rest of this, yeah, this is easy to do. So I'm just gonna let y'all look at this. Okay, so after you've done, the first section, now you just continue taking sections out. And definitely after you finish your sections or whatever, you just keep doing the same process. Take the section out, comb the hair out, put coconut oil, Ecostyling Gel, and definitely just continue doing the same process. So now I'm just gonna let y'all watch the rest of the video.
Yo, G, suck it.
Okay, so once I'm like getting ready to like finish the ponytail, I start to go, make a middle part for the ponytail. So middle part for the ponytail, so I could finish off like the rest of the sections and get this, sleek back bun.
Yo, G, suck it. Yo, G, suck it.
Okay, so now, I finished the ponytail. So now my hair is wrapped up. So now we're about to get into the bun. So after I took the hair out, I put a scrunchie, to split the hair up. And now I'm about to just show y'all how I get the top knot bun, ninja bun, whatever you want to call it. So now basically all I do is just twist the hair around my bun, my little bun that I have in the back of my head, and I just keep twisting it, twisting it, twisting it until I finish that first piece. Okay, so after you finish the first piece, you take the second half of the hair, and you just continue that process. You could do it over the first piece that you did, or you could just keep tucking it under the first piece that you first started. Okay, so after you've twisted, finish your bun or whatever, you get a scrunchie, bobby pin, whatever you can, to basically just secure the bun in the back. Alright, y'all, so this is the final look after finish the bun, and I wrapped my hair up for like a good 5 minutes, let it sleep down. If you do take off your wrap and like your hair is still sticking up or something, you can use edge control to like lay it down, or you put more gel in your hair. So basically right now I'm just showing y'all the lashes. Y'all, I soon start selling lashes. Stay in tune, get it too. But definitely this is the final look, and I was listening to music, so I was feeling it. But this is the final look, and yes, get into it. I did the edges or whatever, but this was my tutorial video on how to do a sleek back bun. Period. Period. But yes, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Period.